Machiegni kendo ma en migago wadhi mbele gi weche manyien. Doho yango yawo bade e sub-kaonti ma Ugunja e chenro maneno ni jopiny oyudo kony machiegni kodgi. Jang'ad buche e doho ma Siaya Daniel Ogembo wacho ni giseyudo puoth mar yawo badgi ma Ugunja mabiro bedo e apise ma Ugunja sub-kaonti headquarters. Ma en kaluwore ni nyaka sub-kaonti ka sub-kaonti pacho ka bed kod doho mare. Komedo ni ka mar Ugunja oyawo to Siaya Kaonti biro bedo kaonti mokwongo bedo gi doho e sub-counties go duto.
We are grateful today upon invitation of the area MP, who has promised us to give us 2 acres within Ugunja law courts for us to be able to establish the courts in line with the vision of the judiciary. So I think we are looking forward to ensure that the building will take off and eventually the judiciary will be able to bring services to the people of Ugunja.
As at now, we have the court annexed mediation court at the Siaya law courts. I do hereby welcome each one of you. If you know someone or some people who have cases, please implore upon them to pursue their matters, if cases are amenable to them, through the court annexed mediation, which is now at Siaya law courts.
And what we are just calling upon the people of Ugunja is to embrace the court. The court is not a place only to take people to prison, but also to help resolve other disputes like succession, like land matters.
So Ugunja was the only one remaining. Now that we have got Ugunja approved, I think on the issue of law courts in every sub-county, we'll have hit 100% success. Perhaps we could be the first county in this country to hit that mark of every sub-county having a court of its own.